What if, while you're sleeping, this was happening? New sales coming in, views turning into ad revenue, emails going out automatically, and people buying from you without you even touching your phone? That's not a dream. That's what happens when you combine AI with automation and build systems instead of just side hustles. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered systems that can help you make money while you sleep. Completely faceless, perfect for a channel like Xplore AI Revolution. Welcome back to Xplore AI Revolution. Here we talk about AI, automation, and faceless income streams that you can run from your laptop. This video is not about get rich tonight nonsense. It's about building digital systems that use AI to create content or value. Use automation to deliver it 24/7 and over time can bring in money, even when you're offline or asleep. I'll break down 5 systems, what they are, how they make money, and how you can start, step by step. Let's start with the one you're literally watching right now. The first system is exactly what this is, a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. How does it make money while you sleep? Through ad revenue from your videos and shorts, affiliate links in your description, and digital products you promote. Your content is online 24/7. Someone in another time zone can watch your video at 3 a.m. Click a link, buy something, and you wake up to notifications. AI helps by researching topics, writing full scripts like this one, generating titles and descriptions, suggesting thumbnails, and even repurposing your long videos into shorts. You're not trading time for money directly. You're building a library of videos that work for you over and over. So how do you start? First, pick one clear niche. AI tools, money, productivity, mindset, whatever you like. Second, decide your main format. Tutorials, list videos, or stories. Third, use AI to generate 20 to 30 video ideas with hooks and scripts for each. And fourth, upload consistently for 90 days and treat it like a real project. Your first 10 or 20 videos are just practice. After that, you'll start seeing which topics keep paying you while you sleep. The second system is AI-created digital products connected to an automated funnel. Think ebooks, Notion templates, checklists, mini courses, or prompt packs. You create the product once, and automation handles the delivery, the emails, and the upsells. It makes money while you sleep because a viewer can watch your video, click a link, land on your product page, and buy. They automatically receive the product, a thank you email, and maybe a bonus. You don't have to manually send anything. The system sells and delivers 24/7. AI helps by outlining and writing your ebook, creating templates, and even writing your sales page text and email sequence. It can write the welcome email, the how to use guide, and follow-up tips. To start, think about what problem you're already solving with your content. Turn that solution into a small digital product like a PDF guide or a template bundle. Use AI to help you design and write it, then upload it to a platform like Gumroad or Etsy. Link it under your videos and in your channel banner. Now, every view isn't just a view. It's a potential customer, even while you sleep. System number 3. I designed print on demand. You don't buy stock and you don't ship anything. You simply upload designs and a print-on-demand service prints and ships for you when someone orders. How does it make money while you sleep? You use AI to create designs like quotes, niche memes, or aesthetic AI art. You upload them to print-on-demand platforms for t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs. When someone buys, the platform prints it, ships it, and sends you your share of the sale. You might wake up to notifications saying, you sold a hoodie or you sold a poster. AI can generate visual concepts, brainstorm slogans, create simple logos, and write your product descriptions. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to understand what your niche likes. To start, pick a very specific audience like AI nerds, coders, or side hustle addicts. Use AI to generate 20 to 30 slogan ideas and design concepts. Simple text with a small icon is often enough. Upload your best designs and test them out. You can even promote them subtly in your YouTube content. System 4 is an AI-powered affiliate content machine. You recommend tools, apps, or services you already like. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Your content, whether it's videos, shorts, or blog posts, is always online. Someone can watch your review, click your link, start a free trial, or buy, and you get paid later, even if you're asleep. AI helps by researching tools, writing product reviews and comparison scripts, and creating top 5 tools for X-style content. You create a web of content around specific keywords and tools, and all of them point to your affiliate links. To start, pick 3 to 5 tools that you use, fit your niche, and have an affiliate program. Create content like, how I use this tool to save 2 hours per day, or top 5 AI tools that make your side hustle 10 times easier. Put your affiliate link in the description, in a pinned comment, or on a simple Tools I Use page on your website. Over time, these videos can keep bringing in affiliate sales at night. System 5. AI services turned into productized offers. Instead of random freelancing, you create one clear service that is simple, repeatable, mostly done with AI and sold as a package. For example, I turn your podcast episodes into 20 social posts using AI. Or I create and schedule 30 AI-generated quotes for your Instagram every month. The sales system is automated. People find you through your content, click a link to your service page, read the offer, see the price, and can book and pay automatically. You wake up to new client booked and new payment received. Yes, you still have to do the service, but the sales process runs without you. AI does a big part of the work, drafting content, summarizing client info, and generating first versions of reports or scripts. You are more like a director and editor, not someone starting from zero every time. To start, pick one outcome you can offer, like you'll get 30 short scripts. Make a simple productized offer with a clear price, deliverables, and timeline. Use AI to prepare templates, standardize your workflow, and write your service page. Then link that service under your videos with a message like, if you want help setting up your AI system, the link is in the description. Before we wrap up, here's a reality check. None of these systems will make you rich overnight. They all need time, testing, and consistency. AI and automation are not magic. They just make building these systems faster and easier. Also, this video is not financial advice. I'm showing you digital business models and how AI can support them. Always do your own research. The good news? You don't need a huge budget, a studio, or to show your face. You just need a laptop, AI tools, a clear plan, and the patience to build systems that can pay you later, even while you sleep. Let's quickly recap the 5 AI systems that can help you make money while you sleep. 1. A faceless AI YouTube channel. 2. AI-created digital products with an automated funnel. 3. I design print on demand. 4. An AI-powered affiliate content machine. And 5. AI services as productized offers. You don't have to build them all at once. Pick one system that feels most natural to you and start building it this week. If you want a deep dive video where I actually show real examples and automations on screen, comment "sleep" under this video. You're watching Xplore AI Revolution. Hit like if this gave you ideas, subscribe if you want more AI and automation strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.